Babe, you're not sleeping.
Yes.
What is it?
I don't feel like sleeping.
Why?
Honey, so it means you were aware your womb was destroyed. And you buried this issue for a long period of time. You never told me anything like that. So if I had not been the doctor, honey, I wouldn't have known of all this.
Fee, I never knew of it. You think I won't do something about it if I knew? Please, don't talk like that.
Honey, you know very well you are not a virgin. At least you have definitely have an affair before. So why do you have to hide it?
I never knew I have a problem.
Why do you have to bury it?
I don't.
We keep on complaining day in, day out. But when are we going to have a baby?
Please, calm down. God works in a mysterious ways. A miracle can happen. We can try another doctor. Or we can even talk to the pastor. He will pray for us. Please.
For God to fix new one or what?
Yes.
God
Miracle can happen. Please.
I'm imagining or wondering, what if when my mom asks, what am I going to tell my mom?
Babe, don't tell her. Don't tell her anything. Please, don't. Babe, please.
I hear you.
I'll give you a baby, please.
Looking at
Let's
my
wait.
age, you know I'm grown. I can't lie. So if my mom asks me, are you expecting me to lie?
Please, don't say anything to her, please.
Me bullet and I'm in toy.